On a spiritual level, the Chariot Tarot card is about taking one's own life into their own hands. The chariot itself is a metaphor for fate and destiny, and the person on it seems to believe that they're the sole driver. This refers to the point in existence where people believe that they are the only one in control of their life, as if there were no higher powers, no fated events, nothing else but their own free will and efforts, which is a good thing, since one needs to always remember that they are responsible for their own actions, but also an illusion, as there's always things in life that one cannot control, whether they accept it or not. This card upright means progress, evolution based on seeds previously sown. One is on the right path to reap the fruit of their labor, assuming they did the work. It usually means that a certain matter of life is taking its course seamlessly. It feels like whatever they are undertaking, the person has the wind in their sails. There's nothing to worry about, as one is guided towards achieving their goals if they work hard and take responsibility. Determination is key to get there. It can predict upcoming travel. It's a good omen for any type of expansion and victory. Everything seems to go on one's terms, which can lead them to believe that they have total control over life because things seem to bend to their willpower. There's a lot of movement, energy, and dynamism with this card. The person might be very busy, as if their life is taking off and taking them places. In business, this card can announce news, changes, business trips, career moves, maybe promotions, getting opportunities that involve a lot of moving around. It is also a good omen for overcoming troubles, tackling obstacles swiftly, and winning against competition. In love, the Chariot upright means that a relationship is taken care of and will unfold when the time is right. For a single inquirer, it means that eventually they will meet the right person, someone who is loyal and confident, so there is no point being anxious. They just need to be a bit patient, as they have a lot to learn on their own before they're ready to partner up. And fate is keeping that special someone warm for them until the right time comes. In health, the Chariot is a sign of good health and high levels of energy and vitality. In astrology, the Chariot is associated with the sign of Cancer. Its timing is around the month of June. Reversed, the Chariot reminds the inquirer that total control over their own life is merely an illusion, and that whether they like it or not, there's always a higher power. It means that there's not much they can do to change the outcome or hurry the momentum of whatever matter is discussed in the reading. They cannot alter the course of events. This does not have to be a bad thing. They should just let themselves be guided by an invisible force and have faith that everything will turn out for the best in time. Resistance from the universe is sometimes a blessing or a protection from something worse. If they feel stuck in life, instead of blaming fatality, they should use this time to reassess things, try to redirect their life, or just leave things in the hands of the universe. Sometimes it predicts an upcoming trip that will turn out to be problematic or pointless. Careful if you're flying or going on the road, as this warns against possible delays or other troubles. Drive safely, postpone or cancel if possible. In love, the Chariot card reversed may mean that one partner is too focused on their own goals at this point in time, and possible neglecting or ignoring the other. Or this relationship is simply going nowhere and has no future, probably because the partners are taking different paths in life and might be separated by fate, for better or worse. For a single person, it means that now is not the time to meet the right partner yet. One must be patient and take this time to grow solo, to reach other goals in life instead of focusing on romance. In work or business, the Chariot reversed shows either lack of control and direction in a project, or success that might be fleeting and of short duration. In some cases, this can mean the person finds no purpose in their career or is feeling socially and professionally excluded in their work environment. Promotions and changes might be delayed or inexistent. The job is so busy it makes their head spin, or their career is hitting a dead end. Also, the person might be losing to rivals or competitors, especially in trade. In health, the Chariot reversed can mean loss of energy, lack of vitality, problems with physical mobility, like sprains or even fractures that forces one to slow down or even stay still for a while until their body heals.